Hi, welcome to Smart Science. Today, we're unraveling the secrets of life by exploring biology, the study of living organisms and their interactions. Biology isn't just a subject, it's the key to understanding ourselves and the world around us. In this video, we'll discuss what biology is, its branches, its vast scope, and why it's so important in today's world. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more educational content like this. Let's get started. Biology is the scientific study of life and living organisms, including their structure, function, growth, evolution, and interactions. For instance, have you ever wondered how your body digests food or how plants convert sunlight into energy? That's biology in action. Biology helps us understand how living systems work, from the smallest bacteria to the largest ecosystems. Branches of biology. Botany. Study of plants, their structure, growth, and reproduction. Example, from medicinal plants to food crops, botany helps us in agriculture and medicine. Zoology. Study of animals, their behavior, anatomy, and ecosystems. Example, understanding animal migration or wildlife conservation is a part of zoology. Microbiology. Study of microorganisms like bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Example, did you know microbiology helps develop antibiotics and vaccines? Genetics. Study of heredity and variation in organisms. Example, genetics explains why you inherit traits from your parents and helps us in gene therapy. Ecology. Study of ecosystems and interactions between organisms and their environment. Example, ecology helps us tackle climate change and biodiversity loss. Biotechnology. Application of biology to develop products and technology. Example, from creating biofuels to genetically modified crops, biotechnology is revolutionizing industries. Scope of biology. Medicine and healthcare. Development of vaccines, understanding diseases, and creating treatments. Example, biology has been essential in the fight against COVID-19 and cancer. Agriculture. Improving crop yields, pest resistance, and sustainable farming. Biologists work to ensure food security for a growing population. Environmental conservation. Protecting endangered species, restoring ecosystems, and studying climate change. Biology teaches us how to save the planet. Biotechnology and innovation. Developing new materials, medicines, and sustainable resources. Biology helps us create the technology of the future. Forensic science and evolutionary studies. Studying the origins of life and solving criminal cases using biological evidence. Importance of biology. Daily life. Biology explains everything from how our bodies function to how ecosystems sustain us. Solving global challenges. Addressing issues like climate change, health crises, and food shortages. Career opportunities. Careers in medicine, research, environmental science, agriculture, and biotechnology. Biology not only helps us understand life, but also equips us to improve and sustain it. Recap key points. We've learned what biology is, explored its branches, its wide-reaching scope, and why it's so important. If you found this video informative, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Science for more videos that make learning fun and easy. Comment below with your favorite branch of biology.